I am taking a new story, The Making of a Scientist. Here I am telling you the summary of this story. This article focuses on the making of a scientist summary. It's a story of a curious child who is channelizing his curiosity to become a scientist. Richard Albright was very close to her mother. He loved his mother very much, and she plays a key role in developing his interest in science. And she is the person who made him interested in science. Now he began his journey by collecting butterflies. Later on he did research on the purpose of gold spots on pupae of monarch butterflies. First of all he did the research on monarch, the common butterflies, and wanted to know what is the use of gold spots on pupae or the skin of butterflies. His paper on working of cell got published in a scientific journal. He worked on a project that is working of cell, and he became very famous for that. Albright participated in many science exhibitions and won many awards. Apart from science, he had interest in public speaking and debate. He used to take part in exhibition, and on the other hand he was interested in giving speeches and participate in debates. He is competitive. He has the spirit of competition and had a very good personality. Thus he has all the qualities of becoming a great scientist. So there were all the qualities in him that he could become a good scientist. The Making of a Scientist is a story about the leading scientist Richard Albright. He was a curious child right from the beginning years of his life. He had started collecting butterflies in his childhood, and by the time he is in second grade, he had already gathered all the 25 species found in the hometown. उसके नगर में जितनी भी तितलियाँ थी उसने वो सब इकट्ठी कर ली थी. Also he collected coin, fossils and rocks. One day his mother gave him a book named The Travel of Monarch X. This book has been a turning point in life. This book changed the life of Richard and introduced him to the world of science. He experienced the real science in country science fair. The real science he came to know when he went to a science fair. एक मेले में गया science के, and moreover he understood to win something he needs to do something ordinary, and उसको समझ में आ गया कि मुझे कुछ बड़ा करना है. Later for his 8th grade, when he came in 8th class, he selected the assignment of finding the cause of viral sickness. उसने एक assignment लिया जिसमें उसने पता लगाया कि वायरल बीमारी क्यों होती है, and that killed almost all the monarch caterpillars every year. And every year, due to viral, all the monarch caterpillars are killed. जो छोटा तितली का रूप होता है caterpillar वो मर जाता है. He thought that the cause for this could be a beetle. उसने सोचा शायद कोई कीड़ा इसका cause होगा. So he rose caterpillars with the presence of beetle. उसने caterpillar को beetles के साथ ही बड़ा किया. However, he was wrong. Next year his project for the science fair was testing the theory. अगले साल उसने एक और project लिया, and that was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarch. हाँ that viceroy butterflies copy monarch. There is another species of butterfly that is viceroy, and he copies monarch butterflies. His project got the first prize in zoology division and third in country science fair. This project he did very successfully and got third position in country science fair. In his second year of high school, that is in class 10, Richard Albright research led to his discovery of an unknown insect हार्मोन. उसने एक अनजाने इंसेक्ट हार्मोन के बारे में पता लगाया, which led to his new theory of the lives of cells. जिससे उससे आगे एक और थ्योरी मिली, वो थी सेल्स की लाइफ, सेल्स की जो लाइफ होती है उसके ऊपर. He tried to find the purpose of tiny golden spots on the back of monarch pupa. उसने जानने की कोशिश करी कि monarch pupa के ऊपर जो तितली का साइकिल होता है उसमें पीपा होता है, उसके ऊपर छोटे छोटे सोने के निशान गोल्डन कलर के धब्बे क्यों होते हैं. This project won first place in a country science fair. इस project को भी उसके जो the science fair which was in his country, he got first place and a chance to work in Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. यहाँ से उसे बहुत बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट में काम करने का मौका भी मिला. At high school student, because he is in class 10th, he continues advanced experiment. उसने अपना आगे का विशेष एक्सपेरिमेंट जारी रखा एंड फाइनली वॉज एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई हार्मोन्स केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर. और बाद में उसने हार्मोन का जो केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर है उसको पता लगा लिया, पहचान लिया. वन डे बाय लुकिंग एट द एक्सरे फोटो, एक दिन वो एक्सरे की फ़ोटो देख रहा था ऑफ द हार्मोन की. ही गॉट द आइडिया ऑफ हिज न्यू थ्योरी. उसको अपनी थ्योरी के लिए एक नया आइडिया मिला दैट टेल्स सेल्स कैन रीड द ब्लू प्रिंट्स ऑफ इट्स डीएनए. की जो सेल्स होते हैं वो अपने ब्लू प्रिंट को, जो डीएनए उसको पढ़ सकते हैं. सेल्स से हमें डीएनए का जो ब्लू प्रिंट है वो हम पढ़ सकते हैं. राइट हैंड इज रूममेट कंस्ट्रक्टेड द प्लास्टिक मॉडल ऑफ ए मॉलिक्यूल. उन्होंने प्लास्टिक का एक मॉलिक्यूल का मॉडल तैयार किया टू इलस्ट्रेट, टू एक्सप्लेन द वर्किंग ऑफ डीएनए. तो उन्होंने प्लास्टिक का एक मॉलिक्यूल बनाया, उससे हाउ द डीएनए वर्क्स. दिस दे शोड एंड डिस्क्राइब टू एवरीबडी. इट वॉज अ बिग लीप, इट वॉज अ बिग जंप फॉरवर्ड. ये उसका एक बहुत अच्छा कदम था एंड गॉट पब्लिश इन ए मैगजीन. दिस मॉडल वॉज पब्लिश इन द मैगजीन. ही ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम हार्वर्ड. उसने अपनी BA हार्वर्ड से की विद द हाइएस्ट ऑनर एंड गॉट गुड परसेंटाइल एंड टॉप इन दैट यूनिवर्सिटी. He has another interest. He has another interest like public speaking. He used to speak in public, debate. He used to take part in the discussions, and he is also a canoeist and an outdoor person. He used to do canoeing and he was fond of doing outdoor activities. Also, he was competitive. He had the feeling of and spirit of competition always. He wanted to remain in the competitions, but in a good sense. पर अच्छे रूप में रहना चाहता था, not in a bad competition. And always wanted to do his best and he wanted to present himself as the best. Moreover, he possesses all the qualities of becoming a good scientist. इसके अलावा उसके अंदर साइंटिस्ट बनने की all the qualities were in Richard Albright. So now the main theme or the conclusion of making of a scientist of this story is, the story teaches us that with the perseverance, धैर्य के साथ, and with full dedication, with full devotion and hard work, any dream is achievable. We can fulfill each and every dream. We can get success in our life with our perseverance, dedication and hard work. So with this spirit, Richard Albright worked in this field of science and got many awards and many prizes and got always the first position in all the exhibitions. So in our life we can also do the same and become like Richard Albright. So his research in the field of butterflies is a great effort by Richard Albright. So now this is your brief introduction to and the lessons explanation, that is the making of a scientist. Now the main question or assignment which I am giving to you in this story is the making of a scientist, that is write a brief character sketch of Richard Albright and his experiments. रिचर्ड अब्राइट के बारे में और उसके एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के बारे में एक छोटा पैराग्राफ लिखिए. दैट इज़ योर असाइनमेंट फॉर द फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी, दैट इज मेकिंग ऑफ अ साइंटिस्ट. So read the story in your book, listen to my video and then note down the important dates and events in which the scientist was successful.